Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. The 2025 Tesla BMW is a game-changing electric vehicle that redefines automotive aesthetics and aerodynamics, featuring a bold and futuristic exterior design that seamlessly blends Tesla's innovation with BM's timeless luxury. At first glance, the front fascia commands attention with its aggressive yet elegant stance. Unlike traditional BMWs with their signature kidney grills, this model adopts a sleek, closed-off front, enhancing aerodynamics and efficiency. The sharp LED headlights, seamlessly integrated into the body, give it a piercing, high-tech look that feels both modern and menacing. Tesla's influence is evident in the minimalist approach, while BMW's signature styling ensures it retains an element of familiarity. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Tesla BMW showcases a sculpted body with flowing lines that enhance its aerodynamic performance. The frameless doors, a signature Tesla feature, add a futuristic touch, while the flush door handles improve efficiency by reducing drag. The muscular fenders and low-slung silhouette hint at its high-performance capabilities, ensuring that it stands out on the road. BM's traditional Hofmeister kink is subtly reinterpreted, giving a nod to its heritage while embracing the future. One of the most striking aspects of this model is the wheel design. Large, aero-optimized alloy wheels not only enhance its sporty appeal but also contribute to improved range and efficiency. The intricate spoke patterns create a dynamic visual effect when in motion, making the car look fast even when standing still. The low-profile tires further emphasize its aggressive stance, promising exceptional handling and performance. At the rear, the 2025 Tesla BMW continues to impress with a clean yet assertive look. A full-width LED light bar connects the sleek taillights, creating a striking visual signature. The subtle integrated spoiler enhances downforce without compromising elegance. Unlike traditional BMWs, this model lacks visible exhaust pipes, reinforcing its fully electric nature. The diffuser-like element at the bottom adds a sporty touch, ensuring that it remains true to BMW's performance DNA. The choice of colors and finishes is another highlight of this model, featuring a range of exclusive metallic and matte paint options. The 2025 Tesla BMW offers a premium and customizable experience. Special edition hues, inspired by both brands' most iconic models, ensure that buyers can personalize their car to reflect their personality. The use of sustainable, eco-friendly paint technology aligns with Tesla's commitment to environmental consciousness. Lighting plays a crucial role in the vehicle's exterior appeal. Apart from the ultra-slim headlights and taillights, ambient exterior lighting enhances its futuristic aura. Customizable LED accents allow owners to tweak the appearance, making it look unique at night. Dynamic turn signals add a touch of sophistication, while the intelligent adaptive lighting system ensures maximum visibility without causing glare to other drivers. The aerodynamics of the 2025 Tesla BMW are a testament to engineering excellence. The sleek roofline, smooth underbody, and active aerodynamic elements work together to minimize drag and maximize efficiency. Active air vents strategically placed across the body open and close based on driving conditions, optimizing cooling and performance. The use of lightweight materials, including carbon fiber and aluminum, ensures that it remains agile while maintaining structural integrity. Tesla's expertise in electric vehicle technology and BMW's mastery of performance engineering converge in this model, resulting in a car that not only looks stunning but also delivers exceptional driving dynamics. The exterior has been meticulously designed to balance aesthetics with functionality, ensuring that it remains a true driver's car. Historically, BMW has been known for its driver-centric designs, while Tesla has revolutionized the EV market with its futuristic approach. The collaboration between these two giants has given birth to a vehicle that embodies the best of both worlds. With influences from BMW's legendary M models and Tesla's aerodynamic innovations, the 2025 Tesla BMW is a visual masterpiece that captures the essence of modern automotive design. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla BMW is more than just an electric car. It is a statement of innovation, performance, and style. The fusion of Tesla's advanced engineering with BM's rich heritage has resulted in a vehicle that is as visually captivating as it is technologically advanced. From its striking front end to its dynamic rear, every detail is meticulously crafted to create a car that is both timeless and futuristic. Whether parked or in motion, the 2025 Tesla BMW stands as a true icon of the electric revolution. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for everything. Goodbye, take care.